Hi, Spiritual Superstar. I'm Nicole, and welcome to our Spiritual Superstar Showcase. Often I receive gifts from all of you beautiful spiritual superstars, and I'm so grateful. And I just, realized that I really need to showcase this stuff. So if you are in business for yourself and you want me to help promote your business, send me a sample of what you have, and I will definitely put out a video like this. One of my coaching clients is getting her business up and running, and that is a primary focus during our sessions. So, dear Sherry, you completely threw me for a loop. She told me to pick out one thing, or she gave me a couple questions of, what do you like, and that's it. She sent me a huge bag, like a boatload of goodies. And I'm just, oh my gosh, I love receiving gifts, okay? Who doesn't? Well, I guess some people do, but I love receiving. So, let's get started. I was in the middle of opening it, and I was so blown away by just the quality of everything and the magnitude of her beautiful light working energy that is obviously poured into her products, that I just had to say, oh my gosh, I've got to get this on camera. So let's see what is in this beautiful bag. So she's got a little goodie bag for the kids here, little cutouts. Look at that. They're planets. And my little spiritually gifted kids are all about this. Look what I've got. Look what Mama's got. A boatload of soaps that she makes here. I believe she does candles too. And so we've got a sponge. The Blue Lagoon soap sponge. I'm going to open this right now so that you can see all of her goodies, and I'm going to put her Instagram page up there, or right across here, and down in the show more or the description box, so that you can just click on the link and go right to her page. Beautiful soul. She's just a sweetheart. And, I don't fool with anybody who's not about their integrity, and, because you just can't. You have to be very careful about who you patronize, and, I understand that. So, I'm very happy to do this, and her products smell like heaven, okay? This is the Blue Lagoon soap sponge. Look at how adorable that is. Doesn't that look like the ocean? And she's got the little rope here. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells so feminine and beautiful. This is a salt soak. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this broke a little bit. I'm not going to worry about it, because we got up until this point. But she's got this. Oh, this is adorable. She's got little rose petals in there. That's adorable. Okay. Honeybee soap. Oh, that smells good. And it's got the little honeybees on there. Okay. Sweet Magnolia soap. You know what? I'm not a flower scent person. This smells fresh and very light. It just, the scent, the look, the vision that I'm getting is the big trees leading up to the big house in the south, and dare I say plantation house, because that brings a whole nother energy into it. It's a whole nother video. Sweet Magnolia soap. Look at that design. Oh my gosh, I'm hiding this stuff. This is stuff that the kids cannot get into. Lavender. Classic lavender shea butter soap. Smells great. She's got peppermint honey scrub soap. Peppermint honey scrub. Oh, you know what? And that is beautiful. Can you see that? I just love how that even looks. Kind of looks like a honeycomb. That's beautiful. It's kind of see-through. Looks like a honeycomb to me. I love that. And it smells really light with the peppermint. It's not overbearing. And you can really smell the honey. The honey kind of cuts the harshness or the punch of the peppermint. It smells so good. We got sample soaps. Cute. Brighten Me Up Bath Bomb. Just the whole name of it. Look at that. Something that you can use to just lighten your day. You know, we come home and it's like, yeah, I'm just going to take a shower. But if you have this, that's your treat. That is your reason to take a beautiful, relaxing bath. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm big on stuff like this. And I'll go to the store, but her products are amazing. They smell so light, but just enough. They're strong enough to know that when you get in the water, it's really gonna leave a beautiful scent, a light scent, not overbearing. It's not powerful. It's just right. She clearly knows what she's doing. Orange Rose Soap. This is gorgeous. Wow, okay. I'm surprised at this because I thought it might be kind of rosy and I'm not a rose scented person. This is so light, I can hardly smell it. And it smells just really not so citrusy and definitely not like rose water or anything like that. It just feels, it smells soft, it smells feminine. It smells innocent. It smells delicate. Oh, that smells so good. And I really want you to look at this one because this has to be my favorite. Just at the way she put this all together. And look at how I love the translucent soaps. Like the glycerin. Because I just love the way it looks. I love that. It's like all the goodies are inside of it. And you can see it. And it's not overbearing. It really smells great. So I will put Sherry, our spiritual superstar, information down below. Check out her Instagram page. Absolutely. Sherry, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I've got 1,000 different things in here. I'm sorry. I thought I lost my mind for a minute there. So we've got a nice little goodie bag for, you can use this for traveling. Got my emery boards. Oh my good, I got razors. Uh-oh, my phone is going off. Oh, that's Coach Darian. Call him back. Okay. I've got my lathering soap sponge. Now, ladies, right? Don't you need those? You need those for the lip, for all over here, you know, wherever you need it, in your eyebrows. I use these for everything. So this is awesome. Oh, look it. See how sweet? Oh my gosh. Okay, this was the one that, oh, even our daughter, my baby girl has something. So you can't, so she knew that. I didn't tell her that. So she knew that within our interaction. Oh my gosh. Ravishing Lather. Oh my gosh. So I've got to share this with you. She says, I'm going to share this at the end. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. And just the care that went into this, because I didn't tell her specifically that I have a son and a daughter, so she took that information within our communication and our interaction. Look at this. Ooh, what is this? I don't know. But it's cute. It's a cupcake. And this might be my next favorite. I don't know. Like the rose and, was it rose and honey? Orange rose. I love it. Look at my Blue Lagoon soap sponge. Now, I've got a little one here, right, that I'm not going to share at all. This is going to be my travel one. Look at it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. It just is amazing. Oh, my gosh. This smells so good. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. It smells like the ocean and a margarita. Oh, it smells so good. And it just smells like sunshine. That's what it smells like. It smells just like that. Like I'm on the ocean. I'm at my own little private getaway. And I've got a nice little margarita. And I'm just relaxed. That's what this smells like. And I'm in the sun. It just, this is my favorite. Okay, Sherry, you are amazing. You're amazing. Thank you so much. So I'm going to share this with you. And again, if you are in business for yourself and you want me to showcase your work, I absolutely will do that. I'm in love with the things that you guys are doing and that you are really being of service to humanity, and you know you're putting your spiritual gifts together and you're making it happen. She says, Necole, I'm sending you my soaps with love and joy. I hope you and your family love them. I made them with lots of love. You sure did. Thank you for your support. Her Instagram is Ravishing Lather, and I'll put it right there. And her Twitter is Ravishing Lather. And her Facebook page is coming soon. And her name is Sherry. And so you've got this beautiful invoice. And on the back, she says what each one is for. So let's go to the Blue Lagoon, my favorite. Okay, the Blue Lagoon body soap filled sponge. Olive oil, soap base, cool musk, fragrance, oil. Now let me tell you, I'm not a musk person. I can't even smell the musk. It smells like sunshine. Hibiscus, mango fragrance, oil, and turquoise skin safe colorant. Washing hands or your body, and it's for all skin types. So she breaks it down between dry skin type, aging, to dull, eczema, oily skin, all skin types, and she goes into great detail on everything. So you feel really educated. This is awesome. Sherry, you have outdone yourself. Honey, thank you so much. Please get in touch with her. Enjoy your self-love, your self-pampering. Oh, honey. Sherry, do you do these for men as well? Put your comments down below for Sherry and Ravishing Lather. And if there is anything that I can showcase that you're doing, you know, for your spiritual based practice, please let me know. Don't hesitate. I will put my post office box down below as well. Thank you. Support each other. Support each other. Warm love and bright light. Honey, I love you. Sherry, thank you so much. Mwah. And I will see you very soon.